Honorable CM immediately rushed to the spot. In fact, he was the first person to reach after the devastation.
People are in trouble, people are in distress. It is our duty to do our best. That is the order I have given. No question of compromise. This is service.
CM intervened and he ordered 2-3 milk containers, tanks from Odisha. Main vegetables are potato and onion. Potato we got from West Bengal. Onion also we brought from Maharashtra and also other places, dumped here so that we sell at a lesser price. CM told that we have to distribute 9 commodities like rice, dal, oil, free of cost to each family, including BPL and APL family. In the entire history of Civil Supplies Department, we are able to distribute complete in 7 days all these 9 commodities to all the people. The main issue was with respect to the electricity.
We had brought the emergency restoration system, which can erect a new tower in almost 72 hours. The Honorable Chief Minister spoke to the Chief Ministers of all the neighboring states, whether it is West Bengal or it was Maharashtra, Karnataka, Tamil Nadu. So all the states with the help of poles, the materials, distribution transformers, and then plus workers also came forward with a large heart to support us.
He started bringing from where nearest possible point to Kajioka and he shown the light. And second day, so people got very confident. Oh, now they really came to normalcy. Shortest restoration of power in a disaster of this magnitude, and that is a world record here.
Now we are restoring other infrastructure facilities, and at the same time I want to pay relief and also rehabilitation. Now we are starting. That is our pledge, that is our commitment, we will do it.
What our CM has did is, they called revenue Tahsildar, other people from other districts, they taken the tab and taken the photo so that your language will also recorded. This they have entered into a software developed for this purpose. Deduplication automatically happen and all the enumeration have been made.
It is an example, it is a model.
How disaster management through technology can be taken up.
He has given personal instruction to all the insurance companies heads.
I am calling insurance companies, I am discussing with them.
CM started having a meeting with the insurance claimants, with the public so that it given a good impact.
Chandrababu Naidu came here, he monitored entire systems through the conference room and from the bus only.
Honorable CM Chandrababu Naidu garu and team for giving an appropriate warning to the public that saved lives.
In Odisha, same 97, I am in Odisha. It will take at least 3 months to settle down. But here we have seen from last 3 days all things are settled.
Way you handled the recent natural disaster, done a commendable job.
I can say without CM sitting here, nothing will happen.
Hats off to leadership. They work toothless.
The Honorable Chief Minister suggested that we should be so tough our preparedness that cyclone before hitting the state should think twice. Because cyclone would feel that there is no point in hitting a state which is so well prepared.
People are thinking that we can face anything more than the Hudhud Tufan. Any problem comes in Andhra Pradesh, our CM is there, Chandrababu Naidu.
As up to Chandrababu Naidu garu.
He will take, he is a hero for all these things. That is the greatness of our CM and our CM high-tech knowledge.
Chandrababu Naidu garu always number 1.